guys, welcome back to my channel. If my voice sounds a little bit rough, that's because I'm a little sick. So I received another hair from Neflyonwigs and I'm excited because their lace fronts always fit real good on my hairline. So as usual, this is what their box looks like. It has their website on it as well, and I received a blonde wig, which you've seen earlier in this video. But first, inside the box you get a pamphlet and it just tells you thanks. It shows you how to care for the hair and other styles that they have. On the back it's their social medias. You get a set of 2 wig caps and you also get a little bag, you know, just in case if something happens to the box, you can always use the bag. So you also get 2 clips. I've always seen these clips and wanted to try them, and now that I have them, I think they're really cool. You can use them to clip the hair from your face, and you also get an elastic band and 2 extra clips. So onto the hair, this is what it's looking like. The length of this is 16 inches. It already has baby hairs. It's a 13 by 6 lace front wig, which means you have a lot of parting space in the front. So this blonde hair is also number 613 if you go on their website to check it out. The density is 150% and it's pre-plucked as well. So inside, this is what it looks like. It has 2 clips on the side and 1 in the top. Some people like to remove them, I don't. And it has a piece of lace in the back just in case you want to glue around there, and it has a comb in the back as well and 2 adjustable straps. So this is what the front of the lace is looking like. Like I said before, it already comes with baby hairs and it's pre-plucked, so that's good because we hate plucking our wigs. It's time consuming. So to get the baby hairs out of the way, I'm just gonna use some hairspray. You can use water, but I prefer to use hairspray. I don't know, I just prefer to use hairspray, and I'm just using like a hard bristle brush to bring everything back. And right now I'm using those 2 clips to hold back extra hair that might get in the way, and I'm just cutting the lace off. So this is me getting excited because it fits on my hairline perfectly. Like I said, I tried a video from them before and it fit really nice. So yeah, right now I'm just spraying some water over this because I wanted to get like a wet look. So I didn't glue this down. This is right after I'm finished spraying it down with water. As you can see, I didn't glue this down. So you can definitely go glueless with this, you know, if you're not gonna be too aggressive with your hair. But for me, I like that little security, you know. So this is what it's looking like. The whole unit is looking like I said before, again, it's 16 inches and it's true to its length. And as you can see, the natural texture is loose curly. So this definitely blends into your skin. This is me spraying water on the lace and getting all excited because it's looking very natural. So that means that if you do glue this down, it's gonna look very natural if it's done correctly. So I'm just doing a middle part to show you guys how deep of a parting you can get with this. I used the Got2b glue gel. I didn't let it dry properly because, you know, it's still a little bit white, but this is me gluing it down. It took me literally no effort because it already fits so perfect on my hairline, and as you can see, it already looks good. I'm sorry, I'm a little too hyped, okay? And I didn't use any powder this time like the one I did before, the previous blonde wig that I did before. So to help it lay a little better, I'm just taking the baby hairs out and pushing everything back and into my skin. And I also forgot to do my scarf method, and it's pretty much like I just use a scarf and tie the whole thing down so it can lay better. So yeah, remember to do that. So my battery died, but this is what the baby hairs are looking like after I laid them with the same Got2b glue gel. Super duper natural. I'm very happy with this. Like I'm really happy with this. So knowing that this is my second wig from this brand, I can 100% recommend because of how it fits and how natural it looks. So yeah, everything you need to know about this wig will be in the description down below for purchase. It's very affordable. It's not expensive. Like if you're in a budget, girl, yeah, go get it, girls. So they have a lot of different colors as well. So it's not only blonde, they have black hair too if you don't like blonde hair. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.